Got a do-it-yourself John Deere 4.5 PowerTech short block. Comes with a used block, used camshaft, used balancer shafts. All have been checked and inspected and they're good. Comes with 4 connecting rods, also good. 1 crankshaft, also good. So there were no spun bearings in this engine. Just had some heat to it, which will melt the liner O-rings. We did find the oil pump had some wear, so we replaced it with another good used one. There's our balancer shaft gears and camshaft gear. All of the liner areas look good on this block. So basically, if you've thrown a rod, you need a block for sure. A lot of times you're going to need a crank and typically a rod for sure. Anyway, we think this is a faster way for the right situation to get you going. You get to buy whatever overall kit you want. If you want a Deere kit, great. If you want a Reliance kit, Chinese kit, whatever you want. You get to buy whatever you want. You have control over all that. You have control over the assembly process of it. It's hidden for everybody, but for those that it is, you can't get a block. If you need a block, you can't buy that. You can buy all this stuff here. And you can buy aftermarket also, but you cannot buy a block. So get tons of calls for the blocks. Just trying to make a just trying to make an option that works. The only thing you have to know is that if you have an older version with a 4-bolt crank, even if you buy a new one today, Deere's going to show you this one here, and even the aftermarket companies, you're only making the 1-bolt, so you're going to have to buy a pulley. So we can help you out on this. This is specific to a stock number. Those are all going to have a little different condition. But basically, if we find a part bad, if the camshaft would have been bad and it didn't spin a bearing, we would just put another cam with it. We just put these back in for shipping purposes. If we'd find a bad balancer shaft, we'd replaced it, just like we did with the oil pump. So all good used, nothing's new, nothing's rebuilt, not making any sort of claims there. We're just taking it apart, knowing that it's good, selling it to you so you can build your engine the way you want it.